10. Telling the time. For us, an hour is 60 minutes long and a minute is 60 seconds. Come rain or shine, winter or summer, an hour is always the same. But it was not always so. The Romans, for example, had the most advanced culture of their time, but for them the length of the hour varied throughout the year. It was determined by the seasons. Daylight was always divided into 12 hours, but since the days are shorter in winter, each of the 12 hours was shorter in winter. The hour thus varied during the year from about 45 to 75 of our minutes. All this seems strange to us, but it had its logic. Time was governed by man's convenience, not by objective facts. Christianity slowly changed all this. It saw the universe as an ordered realm made by an unchanging God. I am the Lord, I change not. Malachi 3:6. The 60-minute hour thus reminds us of God's unchanging order. We're told that Jesus Christ, God the Son, is, quote, the same yesterday and today and forever. Hebrews 13:8. We might at times prefer shorter hours or wish we could reorder the world to suit ourselves. The Romans tried it in a number of ways beside the reckoning of time. They had a rubber yardstick in law, morality, and other things. This is one reason why the Romans are gone and we are here.